You guys smash like, that helps the algorithm to make sure more people see this. All right, so now we're back at the crack of dawn, Krakatoa, east of Java. All right, so here's the line, right? This is the crack. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this knife and we're gonna put, yeah, see how it's not quite set? I should have mixed this a little bit better, a little thicker. That'll work. And then we're gonna put some putty, some joint compound, all with this putty knife, all the way down the crack. All the way down. We're gonna fill that crack with material. Put your jokes in the comments below. We love crack jokes. And yeah. All right. Now, fun stuff. We're going to take our tape, right? And we're going to measure, and then we're going to tear it. Or if you want to get like really crazy and be like all Mr. Contractor and stuff, you put the tape down here, you get your knife clean, and you tap every couple inches to get to the end, and then you go, oh, come on, there you go, perfect, clean cut, see? Now make sure that's on there real nice, because what you don't want are any bubbles. So from the middle, spread it out, from the middle, spread it out. Now, we're going to put mud, joint compound, whatever you call it, on top of the tape. Beautiful, right? Now this wall is textured. It's not a flat wall, right? Which is great because I can be a little bit messy. But even if you were on a flat wall, the first coat goes on, it goes on a bit messy, right? So that's what the second and third coats are for. So the first coat, you're going to put the material on. You're going to get this to stick. And the second coat, you're going to feather it out. And the third coat, you're going to feather it out even more, right? So now we got the material on here. We go, here, let's get our hawk. And let's get our 10-inch knife. What we're going to do is we're going to go down the length. We'll go, here, let's go in the middle. And we're going to press out the mud. See all that mud that came out? And we're going to do the same thing this way. See all that mud? Now that tape's on there good. Alright? So, it's nice and feathered out. Give it a little scooch like that. And your tape's on there. So that's your first coat. You come back here, you do a second coat, you thin it out, you can sand it in the middle. When this dries, it's 8 to 24 hours, it says on the instructions, but it's really 24 hours. So come back tomorrow after this time, and then you can scrape any areas that are raised. You can sand it if you want to. Look at me, putting divots in my mud. Here, you can do all that stuff if you feel like it. And then second coat, third coat, and then you paint it. That's all you got. So I hope this helps you. If it does, smash like. Have a great day. Help somebody else without getting caught. You guys smash like, that helps the algorithm to make sure more people see this.